I decided to do a second video on this bike trail. That's David right there. We're on the south side of the city of David. Across that way is Prestonsburg, Kentucky. Read at your leisure. Which was a lot I talked about in the last video. Prestonsburg Bike Passage. And here's a warning about the black bear. The reason why I'm doing this, if you decide to come down here on a vacation, which is okay, but I want all Olympians to stay safe while doing so. Because your safety matters to me. Well, like I was saying, safety comes number one in my priority. So there's nothing wrong with you coming down here, taking a vacation, and enjoy a nice bike ride, hike, skate, walk. I'll leave the information in the description of the video, this video and last video. So if you haven't hit the subscribe button yet, please hit the subscribe button. Make a comment if you like. For watchers, hope you have a good day. Be safe out there. Until the next train video, which hopefully will be a train next time, hoping. So until then, have a good one.